Welcome to Asharfa English.
Greeting and seating.
Hello, is this place open?
Yes, we are open now.
Great, I need a table.
For 1 or 2 people?
Just one, only me, today.
Please follow me, this way.
Thank you. Nice place here.
You're welcome. Please sit here.
Asking about the menu.
Can I see the menu?
Yes, here is the menu.
Do you have vegetarian food?
Yes, we have many options.
What's your most popular dish?
Our pasta is very popular.
Does it have any meat?
No, it's only vegetables.
That sounds really good.
Would you like to try?
Yes, one pasta, please.
Would you like something else?
Can I have less salt?
Yes, we can do that.
Is the dish very spicy?
No, it is mild flavor.
Can I get extra sauce?
Sure, I will bring some.
Do you have garlic bread?
Yes, we do. Would you like some?
How much is the garlic bread?
It's $3.5 for 4 pieces.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Would you like extra cheese?
No, just plain is fine. Thanks.
Perfect. I'll bring it soon.
Can I have napkins?
Of course. Here you go.
What drinks do you have?
We have water, juice, coffee.
I'll take orange juice, please.
Small or large glass, sir?
Just a small glass, please.
All right. Anything for starter?
What do you recommend here?
Try our tomato soup starter.
Okay, tomato soup sounds good.
Great choice. I'll be back.
Thank you. I'll wait here.
Here's your tomato soup, sir.
Thank you. It smells nice.
I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, I'm sure I will.
Your pasta is coming soon.
Take your time, no problem.
Here is your pasta, sir.
Wow, that looks really delicious.
Let me know if, okay?
Yes, I'll try it now.
Enjoy your meal, thank you.
This is very tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
What sauce is in this?
It's made with tomato sauce.
I love the sauce flavor.
Would you like more bread?
Yes, more bread, please.
I'll bring it right away.
Thank you very much again.
You're welcome. How is everything?
Everything is perfect. Thank you.
Would you like any dessert?
What desserts do you have?
We have cake and ice cream.
I'll take chocolate ice cream.
1 chocolate ice cream coming up.
I love chocolate very much.
It's our best dessert here.
Thank you. I'm enjoying this.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm waiting here.
Here is your ice cream.
Looks great. Thanks a lot.
Take your time, no rush.
This is very, very good.
I'm happy you like it.
Can I take a photo?
Sure, photos are allowed here.
I'll tell my friends too.
Thank you. Word of mouth helps.
Everything was perfect today.
We're very happy to hear.
What time do you close?
We close at 10 p.m.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're always welcome here.
Can I ask something more?
Of course, ask anything you like.
Do you serve breakfast here?
Yes, breakfast starts at 8.
What do you serve then?
Eggs, toast, juice, and coffee.
Sounds good. I'll try tomorrow.
Great. We'll see you then.
Do you have takeout food?
Yes, we offer takeout too.
I might order tomorrow morning.
No problem. We'll be ready.
Do you serve hot tea?
Yes, with lemon or milk.
I'll take lemon tea, please.
One hot lemon tea coming.
Are you open on holidays?
Yes, but for limited hours.
Do you serve kids' meals?
Yes, smaller portions for kids.
My nephew will love that.
He's welcome here anytime.
Can I book a table?
Yes, we accept reservations here.
How do I make one?
Call us or book online.
Can I try your coffee?
Of course. Want it black?
Yes, one black coffee, please.
One moment, I'll prepare it.
I'm still a bit hungry.
Would you like another dish?
What's light and healthy here?
Our green salad is perfect.
I'll try your green salad.
Great, I'll get it ready.
You move very quickly. Impressive.
We try to be efficient.
That keeps customers very happy.
We aim to please everyone.
Is tipping common in here?
Yes, tips are always appreciated.
I will leave a tip.
Thank you very much, sir.
Can I take food home?
Yes, we'll pack it nicely.
I want to save dessert.
Sure, I'll wrap it now.
Do you deliver to home?
Yes, if it's nearby.
Can I follow you online?
Yes, we're on social media.
I'll check your Instagram page.
Please leave us a review.
I'll write a good one.
Thank you, that helps a lot.
Do you host birthday parties?
Yes, we provide special packages.
Can I get the bill?
Sure, I'll bring it now.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, all major cards accepted.
That's great. Here's my card.
I'll process it right now.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
Thank you. Happy to help.
Can I keep the receipt?
Yes, here's your receipt, sir.
I enjoyed the food here.
Thank you. Please visit again.
I will come back soon.
We'll be glad to see you.
The service was really great.
That means a lot. Thanks.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.